Welcome to our hospitality training scenario. Today, we are looking to group orientation with the context of Chinese tourism. A large group has arrived at the hotel of 10 a.m., 3 hours before the official check-in time.
Good morning. I am Volunteer Jaden under the Navy. We have just arrived from the airport and waiting to check in the airport.
May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Morning, Mr. Lee. Welcome to our hotel. I can see you have traveled a long way. I understand you are eager to rest. However, our official check-in time is 1:30 p.m. The housekeeping team is currently cleaning the room from the previous night departure.
But we paid for our room. We are tired. We cannot wait until 1:30 p.m. We need to put our blood and need to sleep. Is that not included in our package?
Yes, and what I was our luggage. If too late, we use our tour bus. We cannot carry this bus around the city.
Completely understand your concern. We want you to be comfortable. While the rooms aren't ready, we can centrally help you with your luggage. We have a secure luggage storage room right here. You won't have to carry it around.
Alice is good, but when it's happened, maybe the room's ready, so we cannot leave in hand.
That is a valid concern. We value your time based on the current cleaning status. We expect 80% of the room to be ready by 12:30 p.m. We will send a text message to your phone and the tour guide's phone the moment the first bed is ready. We can also prioritize your group for the first elevator's ride.
1 p.m. is better. But can we have a place to sit while we are waiting? The luggage to come.
Absolutely. The VIP lounge is right behind you. It has air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and complimentary tea and coffee. We will also provide a welcome food basket for the group leader to distribute to the guests in the lounge.
In breakfast, we usually have breakfast included.
We can issue breakfast voucher for tomorrow morning. For today, since you are arriving early, we can offer a light snack voucher for the lounge.
Okay, thank you for the solutions, and we pick up later.
In this scenario, the front desk team successfully navigates a pressure situation involving the large Chinese tour group arriving significantly before the standard check-in time. The interaction highlights the balance between hotel policy and guest satisfaction. How do group traveler expectation influence service? Group travelers Group travelers often expect efficiency and collective Travelers often expect efficiency and collective movement. They're really heavy on the tour leader, Mr. Lee, to negotiate on their behalf. They often view the hotel as pit stop rather than a destination, leading to impatience regarding to room readiness. Script evidence Mr. Lee speak for the whole group. We have 20 rooms. We are tired. The staff must address the litter while using individual guests. Ms. Wang will feel hurt. How should staff manage expectation politely? Use the empathy plus policy solution method. Do not simply say no. Acknowledge the guest fatigue. First, explain and reason for delay, cleaning standard, and immediately pivot to a solution. Script evidence. FDS 1 say, I completely understand your fatigue. However, housekeeping needs time. This validates the guest feeling before stating the limitation. What solution can be offered? When the primary request, immediate room, cannot be met, offer alternatives that add value and reduce the feelings of waiting. Script evidence, luggage storage, allow guests to move freely without carrying bags. VIP luggage access provides a comfortable place, rest with a refreshments, tea, coffee, priority notification, promises to call text the moment a room is room ready, giving the guests control over their time. As an option, offering a paid early check-in if available.